light, camera, action. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, when was the last time I sat down like this? Guys, it's been so long. I haven't done a sit down video in like forever. I'm not even sure I still know how to do sit down videos. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. My name is Opeyemi, and if this is the first time you're seeing this pretty face, then please click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every single week when I drop a new video. And to my returning subscribers, OGs for life, thank you so much. You guys know I love you. Today's video is going to be a very quick and easy one, just to address some very key and important YouTube action buttons that everyone should know. Well, for my active subscribers, they know that in the past few months I have been uploading market vlogs back to back. Anyways, if you haven't seen my market vlog, I'm going to put a link up here. It's a whole playlist. I have a whole playlist for the market content. I have several videos on it. I mean, we are in the festive period right now, so if you're looking to buy quality air, you want to slay during this period, you're definitely going to find a video on the market where you can buy quality air, clothes, shoes, bags, even foodstuffs. Okay, so I'm going to link the playlist up here. Make sure you go and watch my market vlogs. Okay, so in the course of uploading market content, a lot of people have asked me questions like, oh, how do I check the description of this video? How do I share this video with my family and friends? Yada yada yada, all of that. So I decided to just show you some of the important key buttons or action buttons on YouTube. Most people actually make it on their phone when watching YouTube, so I'm just going to show you the phone version, and maybe if we have time, I'm going to show you the system version, so for people that actually make it on their system. I'm going to show you some of the action buttons, so let's dive right into it. Okay, so I have my phone here, as you can see. I'm just going to click on my YouTube application. So this is what my YouTube application is. I'm not using my own account, that is 360 with Opeyemi. I'm using another account right now, just so I can search for my channel. So this is what the home page looks like, and right now I'm just going to search for 360 with Opeyemi. Even if you find the channel on your home page just playing, and you want to subscribe to the channel, check the description of a particular video that was playing and all of that, it's still the same process, but I'm just going to search for 360 with Opeyemi, and yeah, we're there now. So the very first thing you're going to see when you are on the person's channel is the subscribe button. Okay, my lights just went off, but that's not gonna stop the show. Okay, we're gonna continue. So the very first thing when you get into the home page is that you want to subscribe to the channel. You'll see the subscribe button, that white subscribe button. So just click on the subscribe, and then it goes subscription added, subscribed, and you have the bell button right by the side as well. Subscription is the first important action button you should know when it comes to YouTube. That's how you subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button, then it goes from subscribe to subscribed. Next thing is you find a bell, a small tiny bell right beside the subscribe button, and then you click on the bell. So it asks you all, personified, none, then you just click on all, so that you get notified when any of my video drops. So that is also another action button, turning on your post notification bell. So we're done with that. So now let's go into one of the videos that this channel has uploaded, and let me show you how to check the description of a video. So I'm going to click on this one, this market vlog, the biggest air market in Nigeria. Okay, let me lower this. I'm playing a market vlog, the biggest air market in Nigeria. That is one of my videos. Just like I told you, go and watch my market videos. So this is the video now. Now take a look at that part that has the title. Where you will see market vlog, the biggest hair market in Nigeria, where to buy human hair. You are not going to look down. You'll see the views when it was uploaded. You're going to see one small, you see dot, 3 dots, pom pom pom, and more. That more is where you are going to click, because a lot of people, like on every single video I upload, I always get the question, where do I check the description of this video? I always pack like necessary information in the description, like, okay, if you need to go to social market, this is the people you need to reach out to when you're going to this market. So all of that detail is always in my description box. I'm going to ask me, where's your description box? So did you see that more right underneath the title? Yeah, that's where the description box is. So you're just going to click on more, and it brings this out for you, shows you all the details. As you can see, you still can see every details. You go to that place where that has welcome to the biggest market farm, blah 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 blah. Then at that point again, you see another 3 dots and more. Click on that more. Click on more, and then it reveals the full description of the video. And yes, that is exactly how you get the description of the video, like just that more underneath the title. Just that more underneath the title, that is where you get the description of the video. So it shows you all the details you need. Just click on more, and then all the information you need for that video, that is where you get it. Also, for liking a video, right underneath that description too, right under that description, you would have seen a thumbs up and the thumbs down hand. Thumbs up hand means that you like the video. So by clicking on that thumbs up that goes pum pum pum, yeah, it means that you like the video. And please, this is very, very important, always like the video of a creator whose video you watch. Please, that is the way by which you support us. Creating content is expensive, it is time consuming, and it's stressful, it's mentally draining. So the way by which you support us is that you like a video and you also comment. So moving on to comment, which is also another action button. Right underneath where you see, that like button, you will see comment. Just click on comments, and then you can add your own comment. So I just say, oh, even if you don't have anything to say, you can just say, nice video, well done. Nice video, well done. What am I typing? Nice video, well done. Why is it writing welcome? Nice video, well done. Then you see this small arrow beside, you click on it, and that's the way you send that comment. But I'm not sending this comment, so yeah. So nice video, well done. So you can just type that. You can ask questions, you can communicate. See, this is why a YouTuber has a community, so that you can relate with them, so that you can connect with them, talk to them, tell them, oh babes, I feel like, or babes or guy, I feel like you can do something different, I feel like I can do this one, we would love to see this on your video. Make use of the comment section, appreciate them, appreciate what they are doing, like say nice things, ask for what you would love to see, interact with them. Yeah, it is a whole community. YouTube is a family, okay? So make use of the comment section, appreciate them by liking their video. Also, there's another action button, which is share. So you have the share right after that like button. So you click on the share, and then you can copy the link and go and paste it to whoever you want to send it to, or you can just share to WhatsApp, share to your message, share to Telegram. Those are like the key and important action buttons on YouTube. The number one, I said the subscribe button. You see the subscribe button when you click on the person's channel. You click on subscribe. When you see that subscribe, you click on it and they go from subscribe to subscribed. And then the next thing is the bell button beside it that tells you to turn on your post notification. So when you click on that bell button, I need water. When you click on that bell button, it turns on your post notification and you get notified when this creator uploads a new video. The next action button is the like, which is a thumbs up, and that is how you like a video. You click on it, and once you click on it, you will see the addition of your own like. So don't mistakenly think that I've liked this video when you've not liked it. That's why I'm going to tell you that right now, like this video. Like now that I'm looking at you, just go and click on that like, the way you saw me click on that thumbs up, and yes, that is the like action button. Click on it, then it goes from that blank to a whitish kind of, and you've liked the video. You have the share button as well. Just click on the share with family and friends, so that they can also come and watch the video if you feel like they're going to find it useful. There is also the comment where you can, tell them how you like the video, support them, and also tell them what you would love to see on their channel. Please communicate with the creator. And there is the more button right underneath the title of the video. That is where you see all the description of a particular video. So just click on the more, and then you see every details you need for that video. Okay guys, so I decided to also quickly show you the system version. Please just pardon the lighting of this video. To be honest, right now I am trying to make use of natural light, but it is that time of the day that I'm not enjoying natural light. The light is already a bit harsh, and I'm not getting the feel that I'm getting. I'm not liking the feel that I'm getting. Don't let me say nonsense. So this is my home page on YouTube. You know how to get to your home page on YouTube on your system. and I'm just going to search for 360 with Okpeyemi. There's already 360 degrees here, but I mean, we used to be 360 degrees before, but now it's just 360 with Okpeyemi. So 360 with Okpeyemi. Okay, here we have it. We have it, and you're just going to click on 360 with Okpeyemi. I mean, on your system too, you can also come across my channel from maybe the home page and all of that, but this is just showing you how to go into the main account. Okay, and this is where the subscribe button is. Just click on subscribe, and it has gone from subscribe to subscribed, just the way it was on the phone. And then the moment you subscribe, that is when it brings the bell. So the bell button appears once you subscribe, and then you click on the bell button and you go to all, and then you have turned on your post notification bell. That is our second action button. And now we go down. Let's go and play one of the videos. Okay, let's play this market vlog, the biggest air market, just like we did on the phone as well. And of course, you already have, well, go away. By the way, you push watching advert, that's also another way you support the creator. Okay, so now that we've gone to the video, another action button is to like the video. So I like this. Of course, you click on the like button and it adds your like. It had your like to the whole like. And also to share the video, you go to share, and you can copy link. You can share to WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, email, anywhere you want to share it to, just the same way we did on phone. And then you now scroll down. You see this. Welcome to the biggest air market farm. Today we are in the biggest yada. Then it already told you show more. Like, now let me show you the full details of this video. Now you click on show more, and that is and that is exactly how you show the full details of the video. Now you can see all the description of the video, because I feel like this is where people used to have most of the problem, checking the description of a video. So yes, it's very easy. Okay, just show. Either you see show more or you see more. Just click on it, and then it shows you the details of the description of the video. Okay, and also the comments. Please don't always forget the comments. So it will tell you add the comment. So click on your comment, say well done girl. Say every nice thing you can say to me. I love it, baby girl. Call me baby girl, call me sweetheart. Say well done my baby girl, well done sweetheart, well done. Call me sweet names. Okay, we love your video. How about you do this, how about you do that? Give me suggestions. I want to know. It's a community, let's build it together. Okay, so basically that is the action button. Again, let me call out the action buttons to you guys again. We have the subscribe button, which is you subscribe. You have the turn on your post notification bell, which is the bell button. You turn it on. You also have the like button, which is the thumbs up. You have the share, which you can share to your friends and family. You have the description box where you check all the details of a video, and you also have the comments where you drop a comment letting them know you like their video, and also tell them what you want to see. All these action buttons are very important for you to support the creator whose video you've been watching. Okay, so please, anytime you see a video and you're watching it, ensure to make use of all of this action button. Subscribe to the channel. Subscription is free. Like I always say all the time, it is free. Please, that's the way you support us. See, again, I'm going to tell you, creating content is a lot, baby. It's a lot. The mental preparation, the money that goes into it, the time, it's a lot, baby. Okay, so the way by which you can support is subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so that when you have a new video, you get notified that you can watch that as well. Like their videos, drop a comment. All of those things won't, like, you know, it doesn't take so much time, so please do so when you're seeing a video. And we have come to the end of today's video. I really hope that you find this useful. I really hope that you enjoy it. Please, in the comment section, let me know what you would love to see as we're going into the new year. I'm also planning some new exciting content. Let me know what you would love to see so I can incorporate them as I plan towards next year content. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to drop a comment. Do not forget to share with family and friends. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. I love you.